Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Monday.com columns. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you maximize the potential of your Monday.com boards. To start, it is essential to understand the different types of columns available in Monday.com, including text, number, date, and checkbox columns. Each column type serves a specific purpose, and choosing the right one is crucial for effective data management. When creating columns, it is vital to keep your column names concise and descriptive. This will ensure that your team can quickly understand the purpose of each column and use them effectively. For example, instead of using a generic name like Column 1, use a descriptive name like Project Deadline or Task Priority. Another best practice is to use column formatting to make your data more readable. Monday.com offers various formatting options, such as conditional formatting, which allows you to highlight specific data based on conditions. For instance, you can use conditional formatting to highlight overdue tasks or high-priority projects. To take your columns to the next level, you can use column dependencies to create relationships between columns. This feature enables you to automatically update data in one column based on changes made to another column. For example, you can create a column dependency that automatically updates the project status when the task status is changed. In addition to these best practices, it is essential to regularly review and optimize your columns. This involves removing unnecessary columns, merging duplicate columns, and reorganizing your columns to improve data visibility. By doing so, you can ensure that your Monday.com boards remain organized, efficient, and easy to use. Finally, consider using Monday.com's built-in column templates to streamline your workflow. These templates provide pre-configured columns for common use cases, such as project management, customer relationship management, and sales pipeline management. By using these templates, you can save time and effort when creating new boards and ensure consistency across your organization. By following these best practices for Monday.com columns, you can unlock the full potential of your boards, enhance collaboration, and drive productivity. Remember to keep your column names concise. Use column formatting. Leverage column dependencies. Regularly review and optimize your columns, and utilize built-in column templates. With these tips, you can create effective and efficient Monday.com boards that support your team's success.